We have rain events on the way to southern WA and also through New South Wales this week. In fact, about a quarter of Australia is going to see more rain this week than it saw through the entirety of September. But first of all, let's have a look at that northern fire threat, because we had two emergency warnings yesterday, one in Kununurra and the other one in inland parts of Queensland. So across northern Australia for today, we're going to see the winds not quite as strong as what they were yesterday. Still a very dry air mass and a very dry landscape, but generally speaking, the fire threat from the weather is not quite as bad as it was yesterday, but we still have dangerous conditions lingering right across northern Australia due to the dry landscape and the warm weather. And so we might again see further emergency warnings. So we'll be watching that very closely across the day. But let's have a look at those rain events. First of all, the one travelling across southern Australia at the moment, there's not all that much rain with it. It's very patchy, light rain, but it will invigorate as we move through Wednesday into Thursday in particular. So by the time we get to late Wednesday, you can see a fair bit more precipitation on the chart here across southern New South Wales, eastern Victoria, and also through the interior there. But as we track into Thursday, you can see the rain become a fair bit heavier. We'll see thunderstorms embedded within this as well, but I think rain, soaking rain, will be the primary factor with this weather system. So that's very good news for farmers who have been really hanging out to see some good soaking rain. And there's even the chance of a follow-up event as we move into next week. So we'll keep a close eye on that as well. But first of all, let's have a look at how this tracks. So on Friday, we'll also see some pretty gusty winds on the coast due to this low that will move away fairly quickly. So central parts of the New South Wales coast, we might actually see some damaging winds briefly on Friday, most likely in the morning as that system moves off and away. But fairly decent falls for the week, as you can see. Widespread falls of above 25 millimetres running through the east and also through some central areas as well. And above 15 millimetres is this shading that spreads all the way out to Cobar. So pretty decent falls. Let's have a look into the west now, and we've got another rain event on the card. So first of all, today we've got a few showers and thunderstorms over the southern interior. That will give way to drier weather for tomorrow. But as we move further in time, you can see this low pressure system starting to develop. As we move into Thursday in particular, rain will spread across southern and central parts of Western Australia, and it will drift off and away through to the east as a fairly standard rain event for Western Australia. But again, there looks to be a bit of follow-up rain in the following week as well. So we're adding it up for this week, first of all, and you can see as far inland as Kalgoorlie and Merredin, we're looking at the chance of as much as 15 millimetres.